Are you having iPhone 14 series or any Face ID Apple phone, and your phone is not turning on? The case is whatever. It either bricked after the most recent update or dropped, or even dead with a black screen without any reason. My friend, be patient. Don't freak out. Each problem has a solution in our life, so please watch this video till the end. Here my maximum try on what to do if your iPhone is black and won't power on. Solution 1 is, charge your iPhone for a while. In my case I have iPhone 14 Pro, so I suggest as a primary remedy if iPhone 14 won't power on, plugged in your phone for 15 to 20 minutes and make sure phone is charging properly. Try different chargers, like wireless or wired, and another wall plug. Sometimes debris in the charging port restricts to charge your phone, so please clean the charging port and try again. If you keep trying the charging, but so far nothing, please focus on the next level solution. The second solution is force restart your iPhone to power on. This solution works like a charm. Remember that you will have to press buttons at the correct speed. You know, in the force restart method, the speed of the sequence is a matter. Combo faster, combo faster, combo faster. If you go too slow, it doesn't work. So let's start. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button for a long time. When the Apple logo pops, release the side button. When pressing the volume buttons, make sure it's a quick press, do not hold down. If force restart is not working in your case, please move very quickly from one button to another. The buttons must be pressed quickly and sequentially in order without a break. Keep trying again and again about 7-8 times. After that, this will work for you. Some users need a few tries before this procedure works. If this works, please write down a comment below. What number of attempts did work? If you have no luck and all hints have not worked for you, then the last and third solution is contact Apple support. Have them run some diagnostics if your phone is under warranty. Then Apple will replace it. The Apple Store technician will give you suggestions like the phone won't turn on will be fixed in the next software update. Has anyone had this issue multiple times? Before leaving this video, I've created a guide on do's and don't when charging your iPhone. So please remember to read the link given in this video description below. My friends, please leave a comment below on what method worked for you to finally phone turned on. You can support me to inspire me to make more new informative videos. Please do all your future shopping on Amazon via the link below so that I can earn a commission.